Hi everyone, this is Cindy Crane with the Heart, and I'm back with another project share. So this is from the Greetery. The Greetery has this amazing jumbo jar die, which also comes with a piece that you can use to make shakers. And I think it's amazing and it's great. They have two stamp sets that fit specifically for this jar die. The Container Garden and then the Firefly Nights, which is what I'm going to show you guys today. And there's a lot you could do, I think, more with this Firefly. But I just have so many things that I'm working on and working with that I really did not do it justice, but I did my best. So I also used, well, of course, the Firefly Garden stamp set and the die. Plus I have the Firefly add-ons. And then I'm using this Fantastic Florals from Pink and Maine, which I had gotten as a freebie when I spent $25 over Memorial Day weekend. This was the free gift. So let's go ahead and get going with the first project. So the first project I'm going to share with you is a shaker card, and I love it because I just love what's in here. It's just like, I think it's confetti, but it's like silver kind of stars. I don't know. It's like stars and circles and like maybe it's supposed to be stars of the moon. I don't know. I love it. So what I did was I used my Distress Oxides and I did a little bit of inking, and then I stamped that stamp set with a dark gray ink. This one right here was a light sunray one, and then stamped the light inside, and then we've got Be the Light, and I just stamped my jar in gray, and I think it's amazing. So this is a shaker, but it's like, because of these lightweight sort of confetti, they kind of just float in there. Just float in there. So there's that one. And then here's a really simple one. So this was just, I stamped it in sort of this mustard yellow, that main stamp set. And then just stamped the Let Your Light Shine, which is from that stamp set. And then I did the fireflies. And I just put some stickles on their wings. And I did these little embellishments that I have. And it's a very simple card. It's just mounted on gold cardstock. That's it. So I just think it came out really good. And then I did use those same confetti, which I think is amazing because it's just like, I don't know, it works really well with this card. So with this stamp set. So I did the jar in gold, excuse me, and I created another shaker. This is very easy with that die. And so I stamped the main stamp set, or the main stamp, in a dark gray on white cardstock. And then I just did Be the, and then the light was cut out in gold because it does have right here, it's covered by the Firefly one, but it says light. So it's a light die that comes with it. So that's all I did. And then I put a ton of this confetti that I have that I have no idea where I got it from, but it is amazing in this jar die. Like, it just is made for it. I did use that paper from Pink and Maine. I have a firefly here and a firefly here. Just tied some twine around it. And that's my card. So just kind of some fun, different cards, and I'm here for it. I like them. I think they're fun. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy Crane with the Heart.